Hello my precious family, welcome back to my channel. Today, for the past few weeks, I've been showing you how to make this old school snacks, which is also known as our nostalgia snacks. I've made Ikonogo one, which is on my channel. I've made peanut candy, which is Sisik Belebe, and today I'll be showing you how I made this coconut candy. Easy peasy, no stress, no stressful ingredients, everything just around your house, in your kitchen. Probably you even have it at home, or you might just buy it with just little amount of money. Before I proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help click on the red subscribe button, help like this video, help share this video, help comment to help YouTube algorithm push out this video to more people in Nigeria and mostly people in the diaspora that wants to try something from home. So what I did first was add some sugar into my pot, stir continuously under medium heat. You don't want it to burn, you don't want to have this burnt color till it was properly caramelized, just as you see in this video. And I went to add in some salt, a little bit amount of salt, about half TSP or 2 pinch of salt. Then once that was added under medium heat, I introduced the grated coconut. In the video you saw the grater I used in grating the coconut, and you saw the shape I used. So once you add the coconut under that medium heat, you keep stirring it. At some point you might want to see liquid. The coconut I use is type of coconut that carries water, so it's actually stressed me out a bit. So you want all the water that it might have in it to evaporate and leave you with a clean underneath pot. You see, in this I was showing you how it was still having liquid, mine was still having liquid. And one other thing you can do is reduce your sugar in case you meet, you won't know, because I thought I had a dried coconut. If it's a dried coconut, the sugar is enough to absorb it. So once you are done doing that and it has dried up, what you want to do now is transfer it into a flat surface, spread it to cool down a bit. You want to just scoop it into your desired shape. I used my 1 tablespoon measurement to scoop. Then once that was done, it was hot, I couldn't handle, so I had to allow it cool down a bit. You don't want it to get too cold, you cool down for your hand to be able to handle. So once that was done, I started scooping it into the size I want. I folding it in. You will see that in the video. Just make sure you watch this to the very end. Once it has cooked properly, you want to keep it in an airtight container. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next nostalgia recipe, because we still have a few more nostalgia snacks that we're going to be shooting on this channel, because we are in the episode of shooting our nostalgia snacks. So if you haven't seen the rest of the video, nostalgia snacks, you can go to my page. You're going to see our other nostalgia snacks and other beautiful recipes on the page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel to help YouTube algorithm push out this video more. And don't forget to turn on the notification to get notified whenever I post my next recipe. And thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Wake up in the morning, what we cooking today? Flavors in my kitchen, let the spices all play. From the pot to the plate, yeah, we doing it right. Every bite tell a story, every meal feel like life. Stir it slow, taste the